We talked about disc brake and drum brake before.
Yes.
Do you know lever and pedal for the brake need free play?
No, I don't.
This is the free play. If there is no free play, the vehicle stops suddenly or decelerates unexpectedly, and it is very dangerous. That's why you need free play.
Doctor, for drum brake type, the free play is a gap between the drum and the brake shoe when the brake is not on, right?
That's right. If there is no gap, the brake is always being applied.
I see, this is free play.
By the way, talking about this brake shoe, it wears down while it is being used.
Is it bad when it happens?
That's right. The amount of free play increases as the brake shoe wears down. And after a while, brake does not work well. On the other hand, if there is no free play, the brake is always being applied, the drum and brake shoe will be damaged. The brake stops working at the end.
Wow. That's scary.
That's right. Now you know why it is so important. Don't forget to make sure there is a right amount of free play when you push the brake arm after checking the free play of the lever or pedal.
Actually, the brake lever or pedal is connected to the part called the brake arm by something like cable. If the brake arm moves, the brake shoe moves too, which means the range in which the brake arm can be pushed by hand is the free play.
This is the pre-ride inspection and periodic maintenance item. Don't forget to check this.